Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Bill's Ventures Outdoor. Oh, I just see a trout jump up there and catching a fly and the insect. Well, I'm over here in Arkansas, Beaver Lake, back of the dam where there were a lot of trout just on this side, and they stopped. So I'm going to attempt to see if I catch me a trout. Ooh, the water's cold. Here comes the storm. Look like it's not a good day to go fishing. Now I'll go ahead and pack it up. Lightning storm was already hit. It's not to pack it up, it's already lightning. Yep. No sense staying out here with the lightning. Here's the fly I'm using. Changed out. The other one worked great when I caught a trout over the roaring river. This one, that's the thing about fly fishing. You gotta change the colors, change the size, try and match the hatch, what's out there. So, anyhow, we'll call it a day because I don't want to get struck by lightning since it's already lightning now. Well, lightning, so it's time to pack it up and get back in there. Whoop, there it is. You saw lightning. Whew. Pouring down harder now than what it was when I was in the water. Sure is a beautiful day though. It's a beautiful day in Arkansas at Beaver Lake. Of course, this is the river part, the stream on the back side of the dam.
Later.
Come on. There we go. Oh. Yes. Let him wear himself out a little bit. Come on, there you go. Now you come in. Nope, 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 still fighting. Alright. Alright, keep fighting some more. There you go, come on. Here we go. Oh, oh, still want to fight some more. Alright, come on. Earlier today it was raining, storming, I couldn't catch nothing. But now finally, hopefully I get this in, so this will count. Alright. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There we go. All right. First trout in Arkansas. Woohoo! Yep. Give me a chance to get this here so I don't bust my pole here. All right. Easy, easy does it. There we go. Keep that in the water. First thing first. We'll shut this off right now. Here, I'll show you real quick. Nice little trout. I'll let it go here and roll. Alright, wet my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and let this set go. Here we go. Good, nice trout. Alright.